Welcome back to my channel once again. Alright guys, this is Football Picks, and we are dropping another banger today, which is on bet9ja Sports Zone. So for a couple of months now, I have not dropped any picks or any cheats when it comes to bet9ja Zone. But now we are good to go now, and we are with one good and wonderful cheat. This particular cheat, I've been using it for a couple of months now, and I don't really feel like giving this particular cheat out, but there is no need of me keeping it to myself, because bet9ja, what they know is once they see that a particular trick is going smoothly, they will immediately change, or I don't know how they do it, but that particular trick, they will just put an end to it. Okay, now this particular trick I'm going to show you, this gonna work best for people that are staking much, for the high stakers. This gonna work for them, but I'm just going to show you how you can spot at least the team that is going to score at least a goal in the second half. All right, I'm going to show you points to consider in this particular cheat, because this particular cheat have rules and regulation guiding it. Once you are able to follow the steps and every rules guiding this particular cheat, you will be able to come out victorious. All right, the first cheat in this particular Zoom, but before we dive into that, please make sure you subscribe to this particular channel, and sure to like each and every one of our video and share our video if you value our content, so as to motivate us to bring more to your doorstep. All right, the first thing about this particular cheat is, first, you are going to go to any league. This particular cheat works wonders in any league except for two leagues, which is League One, that is the French League One, and the Portugal League. The reason behind this is because there are limited amount of goals scored in this particular league. It's not that it's not working there, but it's working, but it's just that the success rate could not be compared to other leagues, these two leagues I mentioned. Okay, the first thing to consider is what you are going to look out for is for any particular league where you see a particular team, that is, they have finished the first half, but their score for first half, they scored 1-0. Yes, so I'm in the Netherlands league now. I'm going to show you an example of what I meant. Okay, now, so you are going to find that particular league, and you find teams that score at least 1-0, but the 1-0 should be from the home and not from away. Away is not included, please. Away is not included. The home team must score at least 1-0, and that is number one. Secondly, not only finding that particular team, the team must be two. If it is more than two, it is not going to work, because they are going to separate the goals. They are going to scatter the goals. So you are going to find a league where on the first half, just two matches scored and ended up with home 1-0. Okay, in this Netherlands league, as you can see here, AZ Alkmaar Heerenveen scored ended up 1-0 first half. Then you have Utrecht Vitesse coming up as with 1-0 first half. Then if you check now from PSV down to Wawajik, you can see there is no other team that scored home 1-0. These are the two teams that scored that particular 1-0. So this is what we will need. So this is the first and second rules guiding this particular cheat. Then after that, now you switch over to bet9ja site. Then why are you going to the bet9ja site? You are going to the bet9ja site to check for between AZ Alkmaar Heerenveen and Utrecht Vitesse, which of these teams have lower odd for over 1.5 goal. That is the next goal to be scored. You know, the next goal to be scored is going to be over 1.5 goal. Then we now switch over to the bet9ja site. Okay, so this is then you now go to the live games. So okay, then you click on the soccer. Then we now find the Zoom game for for the Netherlands. It is on a live play, in play. It's on this particular place. So we are going to find it, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you. So you find the one that have the lower odd and not the higher odd. So the first one here is Utrecht VTs. Then Utrecht here VTs for the over 1.5 goal now is 1.53. Then let's go and search for that of AZ Alkmaar. Then let's go to be scored. That is for the over 1.5 goals. Okay, we are searching for AZ Alkmaar versus Heerenveen. So this is it. So this is AZ Alkmaar Heerenveen. So the over 1.5 goal here now is 1.38. So if you can see, that of Utrecht VTs was 1.53 goals as an odds, for the over 1.5 goal. That is for the next goal to be scored. And that of AZ Alkmaar, this is where we are presently, versus Heerenveen. The next goal to be scored is for the over 1.5 goal. The odd is 1.38. So now you have noticed the one with the lowest odd. Now another thing now to consider, now the last to consider is, now check, go back to your the Soccer Zone page. Now check for that 1-0 these two teams scored. Check that 1-0 for these two teams scored. Check if there is any other team that scored on the same time two of them scored their goals. If there is any team that scored the same time these two teams score, any of them scored, please don't go for it. It is a no. Don't go for it. But if there is no team that scored on the same time these two teams score goal, that is, we are good to go. So AZ Alkmaar scored in the 14th minute. Now check from the top to the down. There is no place you see 14, any team that scored on the 14th minute. Then Utrecht scored on the 3rd minute. If you check from the up to the down, you can see there is no team that scored in the 3rd minute. So this is the final rule for this particular cheat. As you can see in this real time, this is the 57th minute. I assure you that AZ Alkmaar is going to score another goal before 70 minutes. AZ Alkmaar is going to score another goal before 70 minutes. So if you go back now to bet9ja odd, you can see that the over 1.5 goal now for the AZ Alkmaar has clocked up to 1.48 odd. Has clocked up to 1.48 odd now, or 1.40 odd, sorry, as the case may be. So the reason why I say this for the high stakers is you might pick the odd as it is, then you can stake higher amount. So this is what I've been using for a couple of months now. Is working for me. I don't really want to share this, but I just felt like giving it out, okay, because the cheat is working. Will I say 100%? Yes, provided you follow all the rules that I mentioned here, or provided you follow all the steps that I mentioned here, the cheat is working absolutely good. The only league that it is not really that consistent is the League 1 and the Portugal League. The reason behind this is because of the limited amount of goals scored in these two leagues. It's not that it's not working, but I don't really like going to League 1, especially the Portugal League. That league is, will I say, I don't know. There are a lot of things, you can't predict the Portugal League. Anything is bound to happen, and also the League 1. Okay, when it comes to goals. When it comes to goals. So I'm going to show you guys the after score of this particular game that I show you, that I use in teaching. Then you can also do that in any other league. Check, but make sure that you first of all search. The first rule is for searching. I didn't say away. I didn't say away at home, because some of you now will now go and pick for the away. I said two matches that they scored at least 1-0. They scored 1-0, not even at least 1-0 is the score line for the home team, and the second game as well is 1-0 for the home team, as in the favor of the home team. There must be 2 in number. There must be 2. It is not below. It shouldn't be above as well. You understand? Like as you can see, that Volendam scored 1-0 first half. We are not going for the away. If you are going for the away, it's a no. away comes with another cheat altogether, another rules altogether. So the one that has been tested, proven, and which is in use is for the home. It is working wonders. So I'm going to show you the aftermath from the I'm going to show you the aftermath of this particular game. Rakma must score another goal. Is the must. They must score another goal before the match. And so I don't know the numbers of goals they are going to score in total, but what I know is that the next goal of 1.5 goal must be played by Rakma. Is the must. So I'm going to show you guys the aftermath of this particular game. You are going to see it at the end of this video. Alright guys, this is where we'll be ending today's segment. I wish you guys best of luck. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel. This is very, very important. By so doing, you are motivating us. We are growing a community which we enable everybody to make money in the world of sports betting. Please don't forget that this is for bet9ja, sweetly for bet9ja Zoom Soccer. Alright guys, do have a lovely day. See you guys next time. Stay tuned.